Hubbell Wiring Device Columns is proud to introduce its first Plenum-rated enclosure for its inREACH cord reels. This UL2416 listed enclosure allows you to install cord reels in drop ceilings, while also isolating it from the plenum space. Simply remove a ceiling tile, and secure the enclosure to the building structure with threaded rods and hex nuts, in accordance to the national and local building code. Add T-bar sections to complete the grid around the enclosure. Remove the mounting bracket, and slide the cord reel base onto the fixed bracket. Reinstall the removed bracket, and secure the reel in place. Remove the knockout plug from the enclosure, and then remove the appropriate knockout from the 4-square outlet box, before securing it to the enclosure. Install the appropriate electrical outlet receptacle, and cover plate per manufacturer's instructions and NEC requirements. Then plug the reel in to energize. If the cord reel end is too large to fit through the door opening, remove the door bracket to slide the cord through, then reassemble. This completes the installation and provides a nice clean look for all the reels in your application. Remember, no matter what your need, Hubbell is always in reach.